Assalamualaikum, grade 1. Take out your Oxford Progressive English book and open your page number 22. Unit number 4, Checkup Time. Listen and speak. A part, listen to your teacher. Draw a line from the person to the correct food and color it. Fiza. Fiza got 5 mangoes. Color them yellow. Ali. Ali got 3 ice cream. Now match it like this. They are white, so don't color them, okay? Sarah. Sarah got 5 sweets and match it like this and color them red. Mummy. Mummy got some beans. Match it with beans. Color them green. Daddy. Daddy got some eggs. Color them white. No need to color. It's already white. At B part, how many ask and answer questions about the picture. Exercise A. Example, how many mangoes does Fiza have? She has 5 mangoes. How many ice cream does Ali have? He has 1, 2, 3. 3 ice cream. How many sweets Tara have? She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sweets. How many eggs Daddy have? He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 eggs. How many beans Mummy have? She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 beans. Phonics and words. C part. Write questions and answers about these picture. What is this? It is van. What is this? It is ball. What is this? It is chicken. What is this? It is book. What is this? It is cat. 23. D. Use the letter in the box to complete the words. Here we have y, ing sound. We complete these blanks to complete these words like y, and ing sound words. Okay. These are flowers. 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 Okay. Beans. 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 Teddy. Teddy. She is eating. Eating. Okay. E. Sentences. E part, complete the sentences using the words in the box. Sitting, wearing, reading, drinking. Okay. It is dash a cup of tea. It is drinking. Of course, we drink a cup of tea. You write it drinking. 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 It is dash on a ball. It is sitting, wearing, reading, drinking. It is sitting on a ball. SITTING. Sitting. It is sitting on a ball. Okay. It is dash trousers. It is wearing trousers. Write it here, wearing. WEARING. Wearing trousers. F part. Now answer the questions about the monster. Start your sentences with it is or they are. It is monster's cup red or green? It is green. Monster cup is green. Are the monster's eyes big or small? Monster's eyes, they are small. Are the monster's legs long or short? They are long. Is this monster hat big or small? It is big. Is the monster happy or sad? Yes, monster is happy. Are the monster's teeth black or white? They are white. The monster teeth are white. Okay, now take care. Allah Hafiz.